Hello, world. Today, we're cracking open the 4 non-negotiable habits that transformed anyone from a struggling coder into a confident programmer. No fluff, just actionable steps you can start today. Stick around. This could save you years of frustration. Let's start with the first habit. Write code every day. Think of programming like going to the gym. You don't build muscle by lifting weights once a week. Similarly, you don't become a great coder by only writing code when you feel like it. The key is consistency. Even 30 minutes a day can work wonders. Small daily efforts stack up, and over time, you develop muscle memory for coding. You don't need to build a huge project every day. Start small. Solve a coding challenge on LeetCode. Contribute to open source or automate something simple. Use tools like GitHub's contribution graph as motivation. Those green squares aren't just pixels. They're a visual representation of your commitment. Start today. Commit to at least 30 minutes of coding daily. No excuses. The second habit is a mindset shift. Ego is the enemy. Destroy it before it destroys you. Your biggest obstacle in becoming a great programmer isn't a complex algorithm or a tough bug. It's your ego. Ego destroys learning when you refuse to ask for help. Believe you know everything. Get defensive during code reviews and treat feedback like a personal attack instead of a growth opportunity. Adopt a growth mindset. Welcome constructive criticism. See every code review as a learning opportunity. Understand that senior developers were once junior too. Embrace the fact that there's always more to learn. The more I learn, the more I realize how much I don't know. Albert Einstein said it first, but every great developer feels it daily. Next up, embrace failures. If you're afraid of making mistakes, programming will be tough. Here's the reality. Every programmer breaks things. Even senior developers push bad code sometimes. But failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Instead of saying, "I failed," ask yourself, "What did I learn from this?" Did you know that James Gosling, the creator of Java, faced tons of challenges before making Java the giant it is today? If he gave up at the first failure, Java wouldn't exist. Try a project outside your comfort zone. When you hit a roadblock, embrace it as a learning opportunity. The final habit is crucial. Never stop learning. Technology moves fast. The programming language or framework you use today might be outdated tomorrow. The best developers are lifelong learners. They don't just learn one language and stop. They explore new tools, read documentation, and adapt to changes. Spend some time daily reading articles, watching tutorials, or practicing new coding concepts. Stay ahead of the curve. A friend of mine started as a front-end developer, but he kept learning back-end technologies too. Today, he's a full-stack engineer earning 6 figures. Pick a new programming language, framework, or any other technology and start learning it this month. These 4 habits aren't just strategies, they're a lifestyle. Which habit resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below.